sasabihin mo, di mo makompleto parang bento. Ganto, anong kaya mo? Sino kaya pupulang nakakilala ng ginto? Ginto, kahit na wala pang hinto. 100% bawat bitaw ko. Ginto, ito kaya mo? Ginto!
Did you guys like that? Thank you so much. We really appreciate your warm welcome. Kamusta mga kababayang Pinoy? Before anything else, of course, we will introduce ourselves. Hi everyone, it's your boy Stel. Magandang araw po sa inyo, nakakapos sa Pablo. Bonjour!
Magandang gawin po sila.
Good evening everyone, I'm Justin. And we are SB19! Kamusta AT? We are so happy to be here. This is our first time to perform here. And we really appreciate you guys coming here today. Bakit ba ka nag-i-English? Yung puri-puni naman nandito. Taas kamay ng mga Pinoy! International lady, put your hands up! Oh yeah, I noticed everyone here. Everyone's here. And I think everyone's happy to see us for the first time here. Really? Are you guys happy to see us? We are very thankful to be here today, to perform in front of you. Thank you so much for this opportunity. Masaya po kami na kasama ang kabanding ng mga kababayan natin.
Let's go!